Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing Todoist, one of the most popular task management apps on the market. Is it still the best to-do list app in 2024? Stick around to find out. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's dive in. What is Todoist? Todoist is a versatile productivity app designed to help you manage your tasks and projects. Whether you're planning your daily errands or organizing a large team project, Todoist offers a clean and intuitive interface that works across all devices, including iOS, Android, and desktop. How does it work? The app allows you to create tasks, set deadlines, and organize your work into projects with color-coded labels. You can also prioritize tasks using flags and break them into smaller steps with subtasks. Todoist's AI-powered smart schedule feature can suggest optimal due dates, which is a lifesaver if you're juggling a lot of responsibilities. The pros: Todoist's design is simple yet powerful. Features like recurring tasks, reminders, and natural language input. Submit report next Friday at 3 p.m. Make task creation a breeze. Collaboration is another strong point. You can share projects with others, assign tasks, and even track productivity with the Karma feature. The cons: the free version is great for personal use, but lacks advanced features like reminders and file uploads, which are only available in the premium plan. At around $5 per month, the subscription is affordable but might not be necessary if you need just basic functionality. Is it worth it in 2024? Absolutely. Todoist continues to shine as a top productivity app, especially for users who need a reliable cross-platform tool. Its seamless interface and powerful features make it a fantastic choice for managing both personal and professional tasks. Outro, thanks for watching. Have you tried Todoist? What's your favorite productivity app? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. See you next time.